ó mà ṣe o ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ mọ̀ lágbára o ẹ̀yin náà ẹ wò ó kí ọkọ àtìyàwó wọn ó sì jọ para wọn kán wá fọmọ kékeré ọmọ òpóǹló yìí kán wá fi lẹ̀ ọmọ yẹn nígbà tí wọ́n ń ṣàlàyé ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin àwọn òbí rẹ̀ méjèèjì tí wọ́n fi para wọn ó gbomi lójú èèyàn ó gbomijé lójú èèyàn àánú abiyamọ sì ń ṣe mí ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ jẹ́ á farabalẹ̀ ká jọ wo bọ́mọ ẹ̀ ṣe ń ṣàlàyé báwọn òbí ẹ̀ ṣe kú bí wọ́n ṣe jọ para wọn àti ìyá àti bàbá.
They say that she will be back. She started saying that I should tell him the truth though, because before he died, that he would tell me the story. And I said, okay.
Your father told you that?
Yes, he told me that yesterday. Before he died, he would tell me what happened. And I was there. When my mom just come, I tell him he will be afraid. I will tell him my mom is coming home. When my mom just come yesterday, she's not saying that him and my mom, they are playing. I don't know. They are not fighting yesterday. They are playing. So yesterday evening, my mom now cook finish. She now go meet his grandma because her grandma body is nowhere. So the guy meet his grandma. And then later come back home by 9 something. When he now come, and we are here, my dad did not eat because he did not see my mom. So when my mom now come, we eat. I not eat yesterday because I'm more than why if they are fighting. When my mom leave home since that time. So and I know it. When they will now reach the house, we are playing. I don't know if they are fighting and they are playing. We are talking to themselves. They are just telling us story. They are saying that they are just saying funny story. When we are now he now got take his Bible and started praying. So when
your father?
Yes.
Your father?
My father and my mother. So my father now pray finish. When we now pray finish, and I asked my mom that let's go to our room to go. And then I said, I should go to my room. When I sleep. When in this because I used to fast and go to school. When I'm just hearing sound. And I fast and wake up and waking my sister. And I'm hearing the sound of cockless that if my dad and my mom is fighting. My sister just run out, and my sister is very hot. It's a bad girl, just like a big boy. When he just come inside, he carry wire on the stool, he lock it on the door. They have already locked the door. They are just fighting. My dad is just shouting inside. My mom too is shouting. So when I fast and go to this house and carry and tell all those boys and they come. So we are now, so all those boys now push the door. Yes, and they carry cutlass and remove the door. When they now open, we saw my daddy and my mom died and they are gone. Then I rush my mommy to the hospital. I don't know. I know my mommy is coming back. She's coming back to me.
Ẹ̀yin wa ẹ rí pé nǹkan kan nu ayé tá a wà yìí kò sírú nǹkan kan àbí ìpèníjà kan tí èèyàn lè mọ là kọjá nínú ayé tí ó wà já sí pé kéèyàn wá para rẹ̀ ni ó wà kàn. Kí ni ẹ̀ẹ́dìjọ́ mọ́ fa àtọkọ àtìyàwó ẹni ẹ̀ wo ọmọ ẹ̀ tí wọ́n fi lẹ́rù bọ́ọ̀lù ọ̀sẹ̀ nínú ọmọ yìí bọ́ọ̀lù ọ̀sẹ̀ nínú làákàyè tó lọ́pọlọ tó porí ẹ̀ kún fọ́fọ́. Nínú ọ̀rọ̀ tọmọ yìí sọ tẹ́ bá ń farabalẹ̀ gbọ́rọ̀ mọ̀ dáadáa bó ti jẹ́ pé èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì ló fi ń sọ̀rọ̀ èdè òyìnbó. Ẹ rí i pé ọmọ yẹn ó sì tún lérò pé bóyá àwọn òbí òun bóyá wọ́n ń padà bọ̀ láì mọ̀ pé wọ́n ti lọ ìrìn àjò àrèmabọ̀ pé ó dá ìrìnà kó dojú àlà wọn ò tún lè pàdé mọ́ láyé ojú àlà ni ó ti máa rí wọn. Ẹ̀yin òbí gbogbo ohun tẹ́ ẹ bá ṣe pátá ẹ máa ronú àwọn ọmọ yín o. Ní ọmọ kékeré kí lọ́mọ ẹ fẹ́ ṣe ibo ló ti fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ta ni ó ràn lọ́wọ́ níbi tí nǹkan dé dúró níbi tí ẹ pé tó ń kálukú gan tó lẹ́rù báyìí nísìn. Àwa ń ṣe àdúrà fún ọ̀dọ́mọkùnrin pé Ọlọ́run ọba elédùà yóò tari aláàánú tí yóò ṣe bí bàbá àti ìyá tí yóò tún ṣe jù wọn lọ fún ọ. Ọ̀gá o nǹkan kan nu ayé o.